And what is up, guys? Today I'm doing the 2022 room tour. I hope you guys enjoy. And what is up, guys? Hud here, and today I'm doing my 2022 room tour. And I was a little too lazy to do it during 2022, so I'm doing it January 1st, 2023. But that's not really a big deal. My room hasn't changed overnight, so yeah. Alright, first of all, right, we got my bed. One of my friends, when he came over, he said this was a couch. But, right, I don't know if this is a couch or a bed, but the reason I have this on my bed, right, is because I'm in Canada. It snows a lot, so, like, the snow piles up outside and it leans against the wall, and at night, this wall right here, it gets very cold. So, yeah, that's why I have this, to protect me from the cold. Now I got my console set up. So, I got a new PC this summer, and I had to move my console somewhere, and I couldn't plug in my consoles. So, like, right here, I got my Wii U, and, yeah, right there, I got my Switch and my TV. Sometimes I'd move up my Switch and take it to the desk with the controller, and this is the laptop I use for, like, schoolwork. And, yeah, this is my gaming shelf. Right here, I got my DS games. I got way more games in here, but most of my games are missing the case. But, yeah, right here, I got all my games. Right there, I got my Switch games, and I got my Wii games. I lost most of my Wii U games, and this is the last one that I still have, Marvel one. And yeah, up there I got my Pokemon cards. Up there, I don't know what I have, just probably more technology. Up there, I got my boxes, and also have my old Skylanders up there, too. So right here, I got my gaming chair, and what you've all been waiting for, my PC, and my mouse pad that lights up. Right there I got my water bottle, my mic. Here I got this key that I got for my birthday. I love Canada, you know, we gotta represent. Right here I got my ruler, and here I got my textbook that I use for school. Right, I need to turn on this PC. Nice. Right there I got my collection of flags, country flags. Right here I got Croatia, Morocco, you know, another Morocco, we gotta represent again. Here, unfortunately, I have France. I'm planning to burn this soon. Here I got Italy, and my personal favorite, in here, I don't know if you guys can see it, the Vatican. I don't know why I have this, personally. I don't know what to tell you guys, but yeah. Right here I got some Q-tips and some other stuff. And of course, contrary to popular belief, yes, I do care about my hygiene. I got 2 bottles of cologne, conditioner, and Rexall. Just because I play Pokemon, right? Doesn't mean I don't care about my hygiene. Alright? So, yeah. As you guys can see right here, it's January 1st. And yes, I do use 24-hour clocks. I am a big fan of them. But I also have a glass door. This is the main flaw of my room, the glass door. And other than the size, this has got to be the main flaw. Also right here I got my closet, I got my Morocco jersey, you know, gotta represent. Yeah, over there, I got my Pokemon poster, and this is one of my favorite parts of my room. I got a currency collection. Every time I go to the airport, I'd cash in a few dollars for foreign currencies. Right here we got my personal favorite one. This is the Egyptian pound. This is the coolest banknote I've ever gotten. Like, just really cool. And yeah, also right there I just got some old game manuals and stuff. And right here I got the controller used for my Switch and my computer. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. I won't be ending it with a face reveal, but yeah. Also, this is my school backpack. I need to clean it. It's kind of dirty. Also, if you noticed, yeah, I do need to clean my floor. I'll be doing that after I finish recording. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And make sure to follow me on Twitter, Twitch, and join my Discord. And I might make an Instagram. And see ya.